Hi friends, how are you? In this video we are going to learn about the functions of blood. First we see all the headings. Respiratory functions. It acts as transport medium, temperature regulation, and fourth one is excretory function, water homeostasis, acid base balance, immunity, storage, body color, nutritive functions, and last is oncotic pressure. These are the functions done by blood. We see in detail about each one. Functions of blood. Respiratory functions. Blood transports oxygen from lungs to tissues and carbon dioxide from tissues to the lungs. Thus, by transporting gases, blood serves an important function of respiration. Transport medium. Blood acts as the transport medium for various hormones, chemical substances, nutrients, vitamins, etc. Hormones secreted from various endocrine tissues and nutrients absorbed from gastrointestinal tract circulate in blood and distribute to all the tissues of the body. Thus, blood regulates growth and metabolism of the tissues. Next, temperature regulation. Blood plays an important role in temperature regulation as it conducts heat from the interior of the body to the surface through blood vessels. Temperature is continuously produced in the body. Blood absorbs this heat and transfers to the body surface. Therefore, vasoconstriction preserves body temperature and vasodilation facilitates heat dissipation from the body. And next one is excretory function. Blood helps in excretion of waste materials by transporting them from different parts of the body to the kidney. Next, water homeostasis. 55% of blood consists plasma and 92% of plasma contains water. Loss of water from body as occurs in diarrhea, vomiting, excessive sweating, etc. results in decreased blood volume. Hypovolemia. Persistent hypovolemia results in cellular dehydration. In response to hypovolemia, mechanisms are activated to increase the water content of blood that aims at maintaining cellular hydration. It aims at maintaining cellular hydration. Thus, by maintaining blood volume, water homeostasis of the body is maintained. Acid base balance. Blood contains plasma, proteins, and hemoglobins. Here protein and hemoglobin buffers play important role in maintaining acid base balance of the body. Also, bicarbonate blood buffers the acids. Next, immunity. Blood forms a critical component of body immunity. It contains cells that play primary role in cellular immunity and also contains antibodies that play major role in humoral immunity. Blood also contains cells and chemicals that take part in non-specific defenses of the body. Storage. Blood is the storage site of electrolytes, nutrients, chemicals and hormones. Next, body color. Blood provides natural color to the body. In anemia and hypovolemia, body becomes pale. Nutritive functions. Blood delivers all nutrients such as glucose, lipids, proteins, vitamins, minerals, etc. to all tissues of the body for the utilization and storage. And last one is oncotic pressure. The albumin present in the blood exerts osmotic pressure known as oncotic pressure that controls capillary filtration and prevents edema formation. That controls capillary filtration and prevents edema formation. Okay, and we discuss about it in later. In next video we are going to learn about the blood volume. I think it is clear to you. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.